So I want to introduce the problem of universals to you. So consider this. I have a ball. It's a round, red ball. Now I also have a red hat. Of course, the ball is only located in one spatiotemporal region at a time. But red seems as if it is located in two places at once. Red is located where the hat is, which is red, as well as where the ball is, which is red. So this makes red very different from what we might think of as ordinary particular objects. The ball can't be in two places at once. I can't be in two places at once. The earth can't be in two places at once. But things like horse, red, and fast seem as if they can be in multiple places at the same time. Red is a good example of what we call a universal. Now, some people accept that there are universals, which are some sort of object that is located in multiple places at once, and it's also mind independent. There would be such a thing as red even if there was no one there to see it. Other people reject this notion, and they try to offer some account of properties like red that don't suggest that besides things like red hats and red balls, there's something else which is the property red or redness. Now, universals raise a number of problems. So, for example, think about the red ball, right? It has a number of properties. For example, it's round, as I said before, and it's red. Now, if the ball was a different color, it would still be what it is, a ball, right? It doesn't seem like it being red is essential to it being a ball. Maybe being round is essential to it being a ball. But there are lots of other round things which are not balls. Planets and moons, for example, are round. Stars are round, but they're not balls. The ball could go flat, and then I would have a flat ball. It would no longer be round, but it still seems like it's the same ball. So, if it's not the redness that makes the ball, and it's not the roundness that makes the ball, what makes the ball? If I subtract properties from the ball one by one, I take away the redness, I take away the roundness, maybe I take away the fact that it's made out of a rubber composite, and I abstract all of these properties or qualities away from it until I'm left with nothing, no properties, then how does it remain a ball? So this is a question of how properties relate to identity and whether or not there are essential properties. These are all things that we'll explore in more depth.